they still think of Captivate as it was 10 years ago, because this is the 10th year of Leica Captivate. So Captivate's changed an awful lot in those 10 years, but we do have people who are unaware of the changes that have happened. I think when people see the changes, try the changes, and realize that Captivate 10 really is different, then they give it a shot and they'll realize how powerful it is to have this software at their fingertips. In Captivate 10, we've redesigned the home screen. Now you can see all your jobs on the screen at once, or a lot more of your jobs on the screen at once. You can sort that job list in the way you want, but as you can see, you can toggle it between a list view and a tile view. You can sort it by date of last used or by name, and you can access your jobs a little easier. The same for apps. You can click in, you can see more apps on the screen at once, so you can see more of what apps are available to you. And it's easier to navigate the settings when you've got this navigation bar on the left-hand side. So if you went into somewhere and you're like, that's not quite what I wanted to go, you can just click on settings, come back to the settings menu, or click on jobs and be back to the jobs menu. Yeah, and that's just an example. You know, throughout the system, we've tried to make things easier and bring them to where you need them. Try to give you access to COGO, access to computations where you need them. Because we're on this continuous improvement, continuous innovation journey with Captivate, and we want to continue to grow Captivate and to bring all of our Captivate users with us on that journey.
Well, that's perfect. That's what we like to hear here, is we like to know that you're seeing and hearing our feedback and seeing the things we change inside of Captivate to make our life easier.
And of course, I said Captivate, but it's not limited to Captivate. What we've done recently is, as part of our long-term planning, we're trying to make sure that we really bring these products closer and closer together to make everything smoother, more of a holistic view of the whole software and services offering, blurring the line between field, cloud, and office.
Oh, that's nice that changing Captivate is really going to help the whole workflow rather than just in something in one part of the software. So that's great.
Yeah, for sure. This is where it really excites me in my role, because as you know, I do get out of the office quite often. I come visit yourselves in North America, but also other regions. And I really love hearing the feedback from customers. And I love it when we can make changes that improve things. Like, I'm passionate about the survey industry, and for sure I'm not the only one. We're all passionate about the survey industry. And it's nice to be able to make those changes. Of course, there's always more changes. There's always more changes we can make. Their software can continue to get better. I've never met a software product manager who said their software is finished, right? We always want to improve our software, and absolutely we will continue to improve it. So don't be afraid to keep giving us feedback. That's what we need to hear. But it really motivates me to improve not just Captivate, but the whole software and services offering of Leica Geosystems. And it's exciting to hear the feedback, to have a conversation with customers, and to be able to present the changes and really, put a smile on someone's face, because they're like, oh man, I asked for that feature and now it's here. It's exciting. I love it.
Yeah, it's good. And you see it out in the field, like you go out and visit customers and they've seen changes as they come across over the years. And using those features really does help them out in the field every day.
There's no denying one of the biggest pains for us is when we see someone who's unaware of the changes we've made, right? We've made these changes and then people still think of Captivate as it was 10 years ago. Talk to us and help shape that journey with us for the whole software and services bundle.
Well, that's perfect. Thanks so much for your time there.
No problem.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, even hard ones, leave them in the comments below.